Greetings everyone, thank you for being here for this quick tutorial. I had this question come up from a client about working with an iPhone. Now I'm an iPhone person, and the question was about calling contacts within Act. And I said, well, it's not so much that you can do that, but if you have contacts that are on your mobile device, you could potentially ask them to come up on the screen so that you can see that information occur and happen at that point in time. So let me show you what I mean by that. I'm going to dial my office line from my mobile phone, but I'm going to do it in this manner. Hey Siri, dial 781-728-9777.
Calling +1 781 728 9777.
Now this is my office line, so you can see what it did. It easily dialed that and I didn't have to go look for it. Behind the scenes it caught my voicemail because I'm on the line, but that's an example of how you can work with it. I just pressed end. So you can dictate a phone number to your device if you can't easily get to that contact on your screen. So if you think of it coming up with the summer months, what I did last Friday is I spent some time out in my yard. It was a nice summer's day. I had a list of people I wanted to call. I printed it out and I just started dialing people. And what I would do is if the name didn't come up when I requested it, then I would just simply dial the phone number. And I think in general, it's just as easy to dial the phone number in the way I just did it. So to repeat that, I'll do it one more time. Hey Siri, dial 781-728-9777.
Calling +1 781 728 9777.
And it's really quite easy. You'll see it called my office line, which bounced out to my mobile phone, and that's why you're seeing this, and you might be hearing some information behind the scenes. But it's a great way to get out of the office and do some phone work if you're doing follow-up with clients or prospects. Okay, that's all I wanted to show you in this tutorial, just something to think about for these nice summer months. Have a great day. Bye now.